Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to access or how to use your Instagram account without having your account password. Okay, so this option going to be work if your account had been already signed in your device, any other devices. So this option going to be work. So if your account haven't signed in your device, so this option going to be not work. So let's move on this video. Without any further ado, let's move on this video. So first of all, open Instagram app in your mobile. So as you can see the bottom side, the corners, click on the profile. So as you can see the top right side corner, click on the bar line. So as you can see the bottom side, click on the settings. Then again here you can see the security option. As you can see here, the login security section and also the saving logged info. This is in a third option. Click on it. So then just turn on this option. As you can see here, so what is the benefits of this option? We will remember our account information for you on this device. You won't need to enter it when you log in it again. Okay, when you log in again. So if you are logging your account again in this device, so this is going to be fill your credential like your email or mobile number or your account password. So everything will be automatically will fill. So your won't be enter any of the credential while signing your account. Okay, so this is the option, like this is the benefit of this option. So that's why I told you that. So you have to log in your account in your device, so then this option going to be work. Okay, so I hope this video helpful for you guys. So if you want to enable this option, so just do this. So because most of us were whenever we are changing our Instagram account password, so while we are suddenly forgot the password, so we can't remember anything. So that's why this option will be more beneficial for you and all of you. So just use this option. So most of the time this is going to be works well and helps well. Okay, so if you are new here guys, so subscribe my channel and also click the ringing bell icon. You will never miss any update videos from my channel. So thanks for watching.